So, this here is my 2013 F250. She's got a nice lift on her. She's got some tires and wheels. And she's also the 6.2 liter. Got an exhaust on it. We're gonna be checking how that sounds. This is the FX4 package. Trump 2020. I'm just kidding. I'm fucking Mexican as fuck, by the way. But yeah, let's check out how this sounds. I think it sounds pretty sweet. You know, let me know what you guys think. I don't really know. Don't really know what came with it. I don't really know. I mean, the exhaust. It just came with it. Almost fell. All right, yep. Nice truck, reliable. Got it with 8,000 miles, and I got like 20,000 miles on it. Not even a year into it, and I don't tow anything at all. Actually, I'm just a fuck boy, but it seems reliable. And this is our new Subaru. Or second new Subaru. Go Trump. Just kidding. Probably, I don't know. YOLO.